Sometimes life has a funny way of throwing obstacles in our way. Whether you've been in an accident, arrested, or even issued a traffic ticket, an experienced, professional lawyer is critical to protecting your legal rights and having a realistic chance of winning your case. But finding the right lawyer is not always easy. The truth about lawyers is that not all lawyers are created equal. While some are highly professional, others are not. Just like within any other profession, lawyers can be lazy, incompetent, inexperienced, and unprofessional. Remember, just because a lawyer is a licensed member of the state bar doesn't mean he or she spends every day in a court or office working only on your type of case. Some may spend all their time on advertising rather than practicing law. Overly optimistic ads with unrealistic promises or guarantees are often dead giveaways that the lawyer may not always have his or her client's best interests in mind. Some lawyers talk a great sales talk and even have a good, seemingly professional appearance, while other lawyers are more obviously less organized and unprofessional, but certainly willing to take your money. But to find the right lawyer for your case, you must first know the right questions to ask. Good lawyers usually focus their practice in a particular area of law by spending much of their time researching, studying, and litigating to gain real experience in that specialty. However, even good lawyers may still not have the specialized experience needed to competently handle your type of case. There are so many laws and cases interpreting those laws that lawyers must focus on just one or two areas in order to be able to practice law competently, ethically, and successfully. So be careful of law firms that are spread too thin. General practitioners may have much less knowledge about your case than a criminal defense lawyer who actually concentrates his or her practice in criminal traffic law cases. On the other hand, you have to be even more careful of some of the highly specialized law mills or hack operations that have a high-volume assembly line approach to the practice of law, often without any apparent concern for the client's best interests. These firms often charge very low rates, offer money-back guarantees, and claim to specialize in traffic, but are likely to spend no time working on your case and often show up in court with a stack of unread case files just hoping to get out of there ASAP. They do what you could easily have done by yourself for free. You should also be wary of unlicensed document preparation services that don't have any licensed attorneys properly reviewing their work. These services often use paralegals and college students to draft court documents. However, it is illegal to practice law unless you are a licensed lawyer in good standing. Giving legal advice or drafting people's arguments in criminal cases is practicing law. If the document preparation service is willing to break the law to get your money, then at the very least, you'd be well advised to talk to a real lawyer about your options. Even if the document preparation service you find actually has a lawyer on staff, be sure that he or she actually reviews the work done by his or her assistants before it is sent to the court, and never sign any blank or incomplete documents. When choosing between lawyers, it is generally better to pay more money for a highly professional and experienced attorney who is actually going to fight for you while representing your best interests. Hiring the wrong lawyer can have devastating consequences, especially in misdemeanor or felony criminal cases, but even in a traffic ticket infraction case. Your lawyer absolutely must be both professional and organized, because just one missed court date can cause even more serious problems for you.